So you're really not going to help us?
You'll have my wise and faithful...
Atreus, eat.
Oh, cambio, cambio. Sí.
Oh, careful, careful. Thank you. Enjoy. Enjoy, my friends.
Yeah. We'll see about that.
Así que iba a preparar la comida.
Here you are.
Y se
Are you
cayó.
fit for a champion?
Enough. I said we would speak no more of that.
Yes,
Ah, sí,
of
cierto.
course.
Lol.
Didn't mean to offend.
I'm not offended.
Terreno delicado.
Just a word.
The word that clouds your judgment.
So, you really don't think it means anything? After the journey Mom sent us on? Everything we saw in Jotunheim? What was it all for? Don't you ever think about that?
Every day. I cannot believe the purpose was to inspire you to take foolish risks.
But what if the giants are counting on me?
What giants? I'm counting on you. To be safe, to be smart.
But-
Use the judgment of a man and not of a child.
But what if Loki going to Ironwood is the only way that...
Oh, Atreus,
Ay, güey.
my son,
Ay, güey.
and nothing more. Do you hear me?
I'm not hungry anymore.
Ay, cabrón.
My words were chosen carelessly.
You really should eat. Some people swear by it on almost a daily basis.
Huh.
I just don't understand. Why is there all this stuff about Loki and the champion and Ironwood if none of it's real? He's just so... Ugh!
Mind if I give you the best advice you've heard all day? And possibly ever? Sleep. That's when all the troubles of your mind work themselves out.
Sure. Fine. Sleep? Sounds great.
I mean it.
I do too. Get out of here already.
Already gone.
Ironwood.
Loki.
Oh, vaya. Hola. Disculpa.
Let her.
I wish I'd known I was a god in Elfon. I wouldn't have felt so bad about killing so many elves.
What's going on?
Say what?
Is that a mask?
I mean, just knowing we're gods makes me feel so much stronger.
Where am I?
Ay, güey.
It's all you ever talk about, over and over. Do something about it or shut up already.
Little people's little
We're
problems.
sick of hearing about little people's little problems.
Ah,
Memories. And not nice ones.
You broke the gate. That was our only way to Jotunheim.
What do you want?
Let's go, Truma.
I don't understand.
Whatever. 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 Whatever.
ah,
Whatever.
ah.
Whatever. Whatever. Whatever.
Hey, don't run off.
Whatever.
Can you tell me where I am?
Whatever. 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 Whatever.
Will you stop?
Oh.
I gotta get out of here.
Espera. Espera, ¿dónde estamos?
Okay.
He should pay for what he said about Mother.
Oh. Ahora
But
somos
we're gods.
Modi.
We can do whatever
This.
we want.
Please. Please wait. Please.
Shit.
Why is this happening?
This is a much better knife than Mother's.
Please stop.
Ok.
Where am I?
El bosque de hierro. Ah,
Easy. Oh, no, you don't. You tell me if you were gonna eat me. That's a joke, right?
ah.
I've never seen a forest like this before.
Está cañón. Ah,
Through here?
con permiso.
I'm not finished with it yet.
Hmm?
The paint is made from the bark of the ironwood trees. They absorb the memories of the forest so that the paint remembers too. Memories of the past, of the future. I'd hate to get blood on it.
Huh.
Oh, it's really you.
Hmm?
You know who I am? What's wrong?
I've been waiting my whole life for this moment. Huh. You look weirder than I imagined.
Oh.
Gracias.
Sorry. Was that mean?
Kind of.
Damn it. I'm already messing this up. It's just you're the first person that I've talked to in a very long time. And weird can be good.
Thanks.
Let's start over.
Eh,
I'm Angraboda. You must have a lot of questions?
Yeah. Where
Follow
are
me.
we?
You'll get your answers soon enough. Well, some of them.
ok.
When you said you knew me?
Like I said, you'll get your answers soon enough, Loki.
Right.
Is that not your name?
No. It is my name. I'm Loki.
Tola.
Watch out!
Oh, vaya.
I got your back!
Oh, fuck!
Ah, vamos.
A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
I don't think I've ever seen someone fight a drape that.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So, what were you doing before you came here?
Surviving Fimbulwinter. Wait, is that a thing around here? Did you know about it?
I did.
Fimbulvierno lo vamos a llamar. Ok.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Profecía que vimos.
I've seen this before. Where we scattered Mother's ashes. It was on the wall. Everything had happened already. Just the way it said. But this part was damaged.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that's us. It's in the bag. Huh. Wonder who he is. Wait. No. No! It's not right. That can't be what happened.
Jodín.
No, no.
¿Qué? ¿Qué?
This isn't real. Ironwood's not real. The Udengar's not real. None of this is real!
Shit.
Hey! Whoa, whoa, you're okay! You're okay. It's all alright. It'll be okay.
Ok.
Look at me. Hey! Hey, calm down. Calm down. It's fine. Just breathe. Hey, breathe. Good. That's good. See, it's okay. Let go. Come on back.
What?
Okay, you're fine.
Sorry. I don't know what happened.
Oh, don't worry about it. It happens to everyone.
A
That
todos.
happens to everyone?
Not the wolf part, but getting scared about your future.
That cannot be my future. It says I serve Odin and my father dies. There's just no way.
Look, this is the only way things turn out. The sooner you accept that, the better.
Ajá.
Oh, shit, that was mean too. Look. Just forget about that now.
Huh.
Forget the future. Forget Loki. You're a giant. And you're clearly coming into some powers that you don't understand yet. Come on, let's take a walk. You can help me with something and I'll teach you. You know, giant stuff.
Bueno, eso sería algo que vale la pena.
Come on.
Chale.
Loki, I need your help with this.
What's this?
Here, follow me.
Where are we going?
We're gonna get some food, plant some seeds, my everyday stuff. But first, I want you to meet someone. Loki, meet Yala.
Hi, Yala. Nice to meet you. Oh, wow. She's a big girl, huh? She really doesn't like me, huh?
She does. It's just, apart from me, the only other person she spent time with is...
Truck! On the rig!
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Loki, show me the wolf!
Oh vaya. Soy una espartana para transformarse en lobo. Oh vaya. Oh vaya.
You got this!
Oh.
Tag this!
Oh. Oh, vamos, me estaba divirtiendo con eso.
You okay?
Feels weird when I change. Like, I'm not in control.
Do you need to be?
Contrario a todo lo que nos ha dicho Kratos, sí.
Well, at least...
La idea de usar la ira espartana para convertirnos está muy mamona, güey. Bien jugado, Santa Mónica.
But what about you, Loki? What do you feel when you change?
Just... anger.
A part of you unleashed the wolf with that anger. Maybe you just need to find the part that will guide it?
How?
You can fight with all sorts of emotion in your heart, not just rage. If rage lets it out, another might help you stay you.
Es el Super Saiyajin, güey. Simplemente es cosa de expresar tus emociones al máximo.
You enjoyed that, didn't you?
Aunque si bien la ira puede ser un detonante.
What you doing?
Clears my mind. I try to see how many bounces I can get. Wanna try?
A ver.
Looks easy enough.
La va a cagar.
Oh.
A little help?
No, I think I got it. How about... one. Oh, you're laughing at me now.
I'm not laughing at you.
You're not?
Laughing at the situation.
Ok.
Uh-huh. Okay, well, I might need a little help.
You'll get it. Throw it flatter. It's all about timing. When you release the rock.
All right. Watch this.
Y se la lanzas.
Wolf, Loki, but under your control. I got your back.
Ok. A ver. Venga, vamos. ¿Y para dónde está? Ah, aquí está el perro. Ay, güey. Ah, vamos. Okay. Ah, vaya. Ok.
Go where I try.
Okay, ready.
Ok, creo que nos sale mejor este. Ay, güey. Dale, culero, dale.
That didn't count, by the way. My last throw.
Oh, it counts.
A trophy came out of the water.
Excuses. We can always try again later. I got it.
¿Cómo me agrada la niña?
Oh, more marbles.
Wait, you've seen these before?
So what?
Not these, but I found a few in Midgard,
Where?
inside your mother's murals.
Oh, but that's...
Okay.
There are more out there.
What are they?
Just look.
Yahtzee.
Son los gigantes.
Roller?
Hey, careful.
Aura. Giants. These belong to the giants?
These are the giants. They had a choice. They could stay in Jotunheim, waiting for Odin to find a way in to slaughter them. Or they could hide. My father helped whisper their souls into these.
Oh,
And before he died,
justo como lo hizo con Fenrir.
he passed them on to me.
Él hizo el mismo hechizo.
It's within these. They found peace.
¿Y se supone que debemos de llamarlos a la guerra?
Now they are your responsibility.
Are you sure?
Well, that's what my mother saw. You're supposed to know what to do with them when the time comes.
And when's that?
I don't know. Let's head back.
Pinches profecías eran tan útiles, ¿verdad?
This is a lot of responsibility.
It is. And it's all yours.
Hey, you okay?
Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm done. I guess. Now that I've given you those, my part in all this is over.
You could always come with me. We could fight Odin together.
If I was supposed to fight alongside you, I wouldn't disappear from your damn mural halfway through.
I understand. Well, we shouldn't break up the set. Don't you think?
Let's keep walking.
El destino es una broma compleja.
Tallest peak in the realms. Uh-oh.
Loki, what's happening?
It's okay! I can handle it! Go check on Yara!
I'll come around.
¡Ay, ay, ay! ¡Ah! Te la pelaste, culero. Órale, órale, cabrón, órale, 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 órale. Éntrale, éntrale, cabrón, éntrale. ¡Sheesh!
Where'd you go?
Ok, lo voy a decir una y solo una vez.
Up here.
Y'all okay?
Yeah, she was fine.
Me gusta más el gameplay de Atreus. El sumidero, güey, llegamos a Chiapas.
Perfect. Hey. Hey,
Killed a flower?
Oh, oh.
It's a gift.
Thanks, but you keep it. Trying to cheer me up?
Yeah. Is it working?
Ask me again and...
Oh, shit. Oye, oye, no, no, el perrito no.
Damn time.
What the?
Shut up.
Será la voz de Loki.
Why now?
Tú siempre fuiste Kratos.
Now.
The fuck. Oh. Se llevaron a mi dogo.
Damn it.
Who was that?
¿Freya? Freyla. Ok. ¿Qué? So what?
What's wrong with it? I can't feel anything.
There's nothing to feel. Carla whispered its soul away.
Este especial.
You know where she lives?
What are you gonna do?
I've buried enough wolves this winter.
Follow me.
¿Qué le pasa a ese estúpido?
¿Qué le pasa? ¿Acaso es estúpido?
Watch out! These creatures are
Espérate,
bad.
güey. ¿Qué le pasa? ¿Qué haces, estúpido? Ay, ay, ay. No mames, pinche referencias culeras, güey, pero bueno. No mames.
Enough whining.
Ah, Sumatra.
Remember in a moment.
We're just going to kill him.
No, because we are going to stop her.
¿Pero cómo?
I avoided this for too long. She's not well.
You know,
Ah.
you should be thanking me. What good does a soul do anybody?
De hecho, todavía no tenemos ni Nino de Hela.
I damn near envy you.
Okay, the cauldron. Without it, she'll have no use for the souls. I'll distract her. You free the wolf. Then we break the cauldron.
You sure?
No. But we can't hide forever.
Me encanta que estamos como que dando pasos de gigantes con todo lo del destino.
I told you never to come back here.
That's right, look at me!
Pero a la vez, todo esto es como travesuras de niño.
One of them.
It doesn't have to be this way. If Ragnarok is coming, wouldn't you rather face it together?
Destiny ever do for anybody. Was it your mom? Destiny to go so young. The father. Destiny without Ofer.
¡Oh!
You brought a prey.
Loki!
Loki.
Carajo. Me sacaron un pedo. ¡Pinche morra loca!
Get out of my house.
Con gusto, señora.
Here, follow me.
You sure you want to go back there?
I told you, we have to.
I can hear you.
Si me puede escuchar, chingue su madre, señora.
Where'd you go? You hiding? Should have stayed with your parents.
¡Oh!
Champion of the Yurtnar. Here.
¡Ay! Me va a hacer caldo.
Having a
You
bit of
have
fun.
to hit the runes on her cauldron.
Is that all?
Ah, ok.
You'll do well in Odin's stable. Shut up! I'm sure he'll make such a fine pop, you'll forget all about your own.
Okay.
Shut up!
¡Wow! ¡Wow! ¡Ah!
Aim for the cauldron.
Why won't you leave me alone, girl?
I can't.
Venga.
Now's your chance. Get to that cauldron.
Are you even here? No! Get away!
Gotta get off the floor.
¡Ay, no!
You're pitiful giants! The both of you!
There's a candle over there. Maybe she'll get stunned if I hit it.
¡Ay, no ahora, güey! ¡Quiten esto!
I'm ashamed we're even
Oh, oh.
related, girl!
You don't mean that. Get her closer to a candle.
Green gun, clown
She's stunned. Shoot those before they hit you.
all I've
Doesn't
got!
spell her magic.
¡Ay, güey! Sí, vámonos para acá, vamos para acá. ¡Ay, güey!
Leave me alone!
Oh, oh. Ok. Ok. Ahí está. ¡Vámonos! ¡Oh, shit! ¡Oh! ¡Au! ¡Ay! ¡Levántate, güey! Venga, venga, venga. ¡Listo! Sorry.
Did you go?
I saved you.
I should have thrown you to the wolves right after I pulled you out of your mother. Get out!
Just
Get out!
no. Let's go.
F en el chat.
You think you've done something here, granddaughter? You are nothing! And no one will ever remember you!
Real.
Not even Loki! You'll just be a forgotten chapter in his story!
Pero allá vamos.
He'll be too busy mourning his father! I see you again! You wish you died with your parents!
Chale, güey. Pero pues es que se trata de... cómo eludes el destino, pero a la vez...
Are you
Vaya.
sure it's alright to leave her here? What if she comes out looking for...
She used to leave me food.
What?
She'd say she didn't care about me, but sometimes I'd wake up and I'd see a loaf of bread sitting next to the fire. It's baked just the way she always used to.
Chale.
She's not a monster, you know? She's lost.
F.
You wanna walk?
También se trata de eso. Hay una entrada en el códice donde hablábamos con... donde se habla con la madre y parece que
This way.
se trata de eso.
Get you back.
Habla de cómo
You've
realmente
been gone longer than you think.
creemos que cada mundo es un árbol propio, digámoslo así, con sus propias raíces, pero todos formamos parte de lo mismo, de la misma forma que el destino. No es solamente un camino y no, ¿cómo decirlo? No hay protagonista. Realmente todos formamos parte de una misma raíz.
Atreus,
Race me. Come
I
on.
see what you're doing.
You know you want a rematch after
and
last
I
time.
appreciate. Last time I beat you.
I'm pretty sure it was a tie.
Pretty sure it wasn't.
So prove me wrong. 1, 2, 3, go!
Fine.
¡Ah!
You coming or what?
¡Ah!
Go!
You're fucked? Oh, no, you don't!
Venga, 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 transformámonos. ¡Sí, a huevo!
What's the turn here? I have absolutely no idea what you're saying.
Ay, güey.
This field always smells so amazing. I assume your nose is much better like this. Don't get too distracted. Are you really gonna let me beat you again? No, you don't.
Los pinches subtítulos, güey.
Asa, faster! We got him now.
Venga, venga, venga. La música,
I
güey.
don't think so. You really made me work for it.
Work for it? You rode a magic fox the whole way.
Loki. Atreus. Thank you.
I'm sorry she was so hard on you.
Me too.
Me mata le dieron su frente. Güey, sí, es como... Güey.
Well, I suppose you're ready to get home now. You still don't believe it, do you?
I can't. I think I'm being stupid.
I think you care for your dad so much you can't conceive of a world where you let him get hurt. Come here. I need to show you something.
Y le va a dar... Mira, jálale, güey.
Laufey? Mothers?
I wish it weren't empty, but I know how it feels to lose a parent, to lose both. Your mother may be gone, but your father, you've still got time to say goodbye.
Oh, cabrón.
I know what you're
Oh.
trying to say. And I appreciate it. I do. But I don't know. We've got to be more than a bunch of stories with our endings already written. What happens to you now?
I don't know. Like I said, once you're gone, my part in this is over. So, you know, feel free to stay.
I think your part is as big as you want it to be.
What are you gonna do?
No idea. But I can't just sit back and let my dad die. I gotta get back.
Okay.
Huh. Stars here are different.
No. You just are.
Oh, qué cursi.
I am gonna see you again.
Sure. Okay, now. Close your eyes. And hold that tight. You don't want to lose it. Home. Think of it. Repeat it.
Home. 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 Like that?
Ah, cabrón.
Oh no.
Sí, exactamente. Pero fue el hogar. Sí, exactamente. No era exactamente al lugar que necesitábamos volver. Wow, 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 wow.
Other home. Other home. Other home.
Carajo. ¡Oh! ¡Carajo, carajo! ¡Ay, no, vale madre! ¡Oh, shit! ¿Y ahora? Bueno, las... Sí, no mames, güey, caí en el Juego de Tronos. Ok. Ok. Órale, 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 quítense, culeros, quítense. ¡Ah!
Gotta get back to Sindri's and figure out how to save Father.
Ok.
And I gotta keep Ironwood and Angrboda a secret somehow.
Buena suerte con eso. Sí. ¡Shish! Vaya aventura. Pero bueno, qué gran capítulo con Atreus. Seguiremos con lo que venga. ¡Oh!
I wanted to visit Fenrir.
For 2 days.
Do
not lie to me again. Why did you come here? Alone. Do you seek death?
No more than you.
Then why? Why?
What
is it you will not tell me? I have tried to walk this path with you. We follow your every whim.
But you don't believe in any of it.
And still I follow. Because all that matters is that you are safe.
But that's not all that matters. Who's keeping you safe?
I do not need you to protect me.
You sure about that?
What do you know?
I can't talk about it. But I just need you to trust me. You kept secrets, but I trust you.
That's not the same.
Why not? You hid things. Mother hid things. You had good reasons, and so do I. Why can't you just...
Later.
Regresamos. Ay, cabrón. Esperen. ¿Me falta un Atreus?